Hi, my name is Alvin. We are total 7 people staying in this house. I love this place because there's a lot of storages that has been built to our requirements.
The overall color palette is grayish as the owner liked this type of color theme and it looks modern. We enhanced the cabinet with black tinted mirror so that it doesn't look dull. We utilize the space on the wall to make more storage space for them to keep the house tidy. The owner wants to fit in 2 beds inside this bedroom, and we come up with this overlapping platform concept. This platform serves as 2 different purposes. First, we can have storage here. Secondly, we'll add a stairs for the upper level bed. At the same time, it has enough room space for them to reach the wardrobe and also the drawer.
Our bedrooms has a lot of storages. Underneath, there's a big space and it can accommodate big boxes as well as big luggages. The kids enjoy their rooms as well because they can play. Do you like your bedroom?
Yes.